How to archive chats on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive chats on Telegram to keep your chat list organized and clutter-free. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll through your chat list and find the chat that you want to archive. And once you have located it, simply long press on the chat to select it. And once the chat is selected, you will see some options at the top of the screen. So simply tap on the archive icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And after tapping on that, your chat is now archived. It's hidden from your main chat list but still stored safely for later. And that's it. That's how you can archive chats on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.